Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated luxury SUVs of the year, the 2025 Lexus LX700h. This hybrid beast combines bold design, refined comfort, and cutting-edge technology to redefine what it means to drive in style and power. If you're in the market for a full-size luxury SUV that doesn't compromise on performance or sustainability, you're going to want to stick around. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 LX700h makes an immediate impression with its commanding presence and sharp lines. Lexus has taken the spindle grille design to the next level with a sleeker, more integrated look, flanked by ultra-slim triple-beam LED headlights and dynamic signature lighting. The muscular stance, chrome accents, and available 22-inch alloy wheels scream sophistication and strength, while aerodynamic enhancements, like air curtains and sculpted bodywork, boost both efficiency and road presence. Inside the cabin of the LX700h is pure Lexus luxury. From the moment you open the soft-closed doors, you're greeted with rich leather upholstery, hand-finished wood trim, and ambient lighting that sets a calm, premium mood. The dual-screen infotainment setup includes a 12.3-inch upper touchscreen for navigation and media, and a 7-inch lower screen for climate and vehicle controls. The seats are not just heated and ventilated, they also offer massage functions in the front row, and the second-row captain's chairs rival first-class airline seating. Every inch of the cabin is designed for comfort, silence, and intuitive convenience. Under the hood, the LX700h features a powerful hybrid powertrain that pairs a twin-turbo V6 engine with electric motors, producing a combined output of around 450 horsepower. This system is mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission, delivering smooth and responsive performance, whether you're cruising the highway or tackling rough terrain. Thanks to the advanced adaptive suspension and Lexus's multi-terrain select system, the LX700h offers impressive off-road capability without compromising on-road comfort or fuel efficiency, making it a versatile performer in any setting. When it comes to safety, the LX700h is fully loaded with the latest Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 suite. This includes enhanced features like pre-collision, system with pedestrian and cyclist detection, lane keep assist, dynamic radar cruise control, and the new proactive driving assist, which can anticipate and mitigate potential hazards even before the driver reacts. Add in a panoramic view monitor, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert, and you're looking at one of the safest SUVs in its class. The 2025 LX700 truly stands out with its unique selling points. It's one of the few full-size luxury SUVs to offer a high-performance hybrid system without sacrificing capability. The blend of opulent craftsmanship, advanced technology, and off-road prowess gives it an edge over competitors like the Range Rover or Mercedes-Benz GLS. Plus, Lexus' renowned reliability and lower cost of ownership add long-term value that's hard to beat. Pricing for the 2025 Lexus LX700h starts around $107,000 for the base model, with fully loaded trims pushing north of $125,000. While it's definitely a premium investment, what you get in return, efficiency, luxury, performance, and durability, makes it a compelling option for buyers seeking the best of all worlds. To wrap it up, the 2025 Lexus LX700h isn't just an SUV, it's a statement. It shows that you value refinement without waste, power without noise, and innovation without compromise. Whether you're navigating the urban jungle or exploring the real one, this SUV delivers excellence at every turn. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more content on the latest in luxury and performance vehicles. See you next time.